Hello, everybody. Today I'm having another demo of a CKAD Exam Lab. This is one of the exams for Kubernetes certification. It's hands-on, so you have to know how to do things live. So here's the requirements. We're supposed to create a config map with, not that one. This actually has some mistake. Let me look at the number. I think rec 18. Rec 18. Yeah, so we're supposed to create a config map with three different key value pairs. Again, config maps are things that you would use in a pod or deployment where you use the same image, but using different variables, you can do different things. For example, things would be different between staging and production and so on and so forth, right? This way, you don't have to hard coding the values into your image. That's the idea. This lab is probably one of the easier ones. If you categorize the labs into easy, medium, and hard, this is definitely on the easy side. So you definitely need to know how to do this live within a couple of, or no, within a few minutes. Right? So the way to do this, as I've said before, your first friend is the kubectl help command because it gives you examples, and then you don't have to worry about YAML files. And your second friend is creating YAML files from simple kubectl commands, and third one is kubectl explain. In this particular case, you can just generate this through kubectl command. So let's look at that. K is alias to kubectl, K create cm -h. It gives you a whole lot of examples. One of them happens to be creating from literal, and you give the values live on the command line itself. So let's copy that. Let's save that in our history, and let's look at the requirement one more time. And now all you have to do is change what's in the example. So kubectl create config map, and the name of the config map is cm-foo, and from literal, first one is foo equals bar, second one is foo 2 equals bar 2, third one is foo 3 equals bar 3. And that really should do it. Did not oh, I have too many dashes here. So let's take that was out. The other two looks okay. And it's created. Let's describe config map. And it gives you all the keys and the values. So I hope this was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you next time.